Hi all. See that this is a problem regarding that probability concept, right? So here we have X and that has 7 friends, right? So out of which, right, 4 are ladies and 3 are men, right? So let's consider that. So let's see that, okay? So here I consider a set X that has definitely have 4 ladies. So I just write 4 ladies and 3 men, okay? So L and M stands for that. And for Y, we have 3 ladies and 4 men. Okay. So that's it. So that's the condition we have it here. Okay. So now see that. Okay. That what we are going to find out. We are going to find out or form a committee or the party, right? So that each party can be thrown in such a way that 3 ladies and 3 men are there, right? Under the condition that 3 must be from X and 3 must be from Y. So let's write down that. So therefore our aim is to find the ways of selecting three ladies and 3 men such that, or maybe we can call it as under the condition that 3 friends are chosen from X and Y, okay? Now let's go ahead and consider all the possibilities, right? So what is the possibilities here? See that it is the possibilities, that first possibility. So let us go ahead and write down that case 1, okay? Now in case 1, it is quite possible that there are 3 ladies and see that we are having 3 ladies and 3 men, right? So it is allowed that from that X we choose 3 ladies and from 0 men. Now 3 ladies is considered, so I have to choose 3 men here and 0 ladies here, right? So we can easily see that here we are consider 3 people and 6 friends are need to be considered and total is 6, right? Now let's go ahead and choose the second option, right? So now let's go ahead. So in that second option we'll see that here we have 2 ladies and 1 man is considered from X, right? So therefore 2 ladies is considered, so therefore you have to choose 1 and we have to choose 2, and that's it. So 2 1 and 1 2, that gives you the required values. Now here we go ahead and choose 1 ladies, right? Now this is my case 3. So case 3 we consider there is 1 ladies and 2 men, okay? Now for ladies we'll definitely need to choose 2 and 1, okay? So that always this condition are satisfied. Now the last condition obviously that 3 2 1, now obviously it should be 0, right? So let's go ahead and write 0 ladies. Now as 0 ladies is chosen, I have to choose 3 ladies here and 3 men here and 0 men from here. That's it. Now observe that, right? How we find these different possibilities. Now see the case 1 itself, right? Now in case 1, 3 ladies need to be chosen, right, out of 4 ladies. So I just write down here the ladies number. So this is 4, this is 3 and this is 3 4. So therefore the possibilities of case 1. So I just write down the number of way case 1 can gives, right? So 3 ladies can be chosen out of 4 ladies in 4C 3 ways multiplied by 3C0 multiplied by 3C0 then multiplied by 4C3. That's it. Let's go ahead and calculate case 2. In case 2, we can easily say 4C2 multiplied by 3C1 multiplied by 3C1 multiplied by 4C2. So these values we'll need to calculate at the end, okay? Now case 3. Case 3 we have 4C1 multiplied by 3C2 multiplied by 3C2 and 4C1. That's equal to. And for case 4, we have 4C0 multiplied by 3C3 multiplied by 3C3 again and multiplied by 4C0. So that's the possibilities we have, right? Now, here we write down all those numbers as N1, N2, N3, N4. Okay? Just nothing. This is just use for calcium, that's it. Okay. Now, we need to calculate those N1, N2, N3, N4 separately, right? Let's go ahead and calculate that. So, let's go ahead and calculate N1. So, what is N1? N1 is 4C3. 4C3 means is actually 4C1. That means it's 4. Multiplied by 3C0. 3C0 means it's 1. Multiplied by 1 and 4C3 again 4. That's why it gives you 16. So, N1 is calculated. Let's go ahead and calculate N2. In N2, we'll see that 4C2, right? So, we need to calculate 4C2. Let's go ahead and calculate here 4C2. So, 4C2 is actually factorial 4 divided by factorial 2 multiplied by factorial 2. That gives you actually 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 factorial divided by 2 into 2 factorial. So, therefore, it's 6. So, hence, we can easily write down that as 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 6. So, that gives you actually 18 squared. So, or maybe 36 multiplied by 9. I think 324. Yeah, that's correct. Let's go ahead and calculate N3. So, if I calculate N3, we'll find out that 4C1, that's 4. Multiplied by 3C2, that's 3C1, that's 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 again. So, therefore, it is 144. And if I calculate N4, see that N4 became easy, 4C1, 1, 3C3, 3C1. So, all are 1. So, that means final value is 1. So, therefore, total possibilities is definitely equal to 16 plus 324 plus 11144 and 1. So, if you add it at the end, we'll get it as 485. And that's it. And that's why for this problem, option A is the correct answer. And that's it. Okay. So here your main job is to understand this table. So if you understand this, how to form the table, the remaining one is the self-explanatory. So that's it. Okay. So that's it for this problem. Thank you.